Whoa, 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 stop! Everyone has that car sitting in their driveway or their next door neighbour's driveway that you'd like to see scrapped. We're going to show you how to do it. First off, you need a means of getting it moving. In this case, it's a forklift. We've lost the keys for this car. Some cars are beyond repair because they've got a blown engine or a flat tyre or a dodgy radio and you just want to scrap it and get the money back. Phone around your local scrapyards, find out the best price, make sure you've got the registration document, proof of identification for yourself so that you're not dodgy and get rid of something you shouldn't be. Get on the road. Once you arrive there, it's fairly straightforward. They weigh your load, and in this case it's 4 tonnes. They then remove the vehicle, you drive back over the weighbridge, and then they remove the difference, in this case 1200 kilos. The day rate was good, so we got £160 for that. Now we've stripped the wheels and tyres off because the alloys can be weighed in for scrap and the tyres can be sold on Gumtree or Craigslist or wherever you want to advertise them. There really is no going back once that grab hits the top of the car. Just think of the money and the space in the driveway and what you can spend it on your next project. It's really simple. So I went back at the window, see a bit of mouse and all that. Perfect, thank you. See you later.